Restitution. Restitution is a noun that refers to the act of restoring something to its original condition or returning something that was lost or stolen to its rightful owner. It is often used in legal and moral contexts to describe the act of making amends or compensating for a wrongdoing or harm caused to someone. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of restitution. 1. Legal context. In a court case, if someone is found guilty of theft, they may be ordered to pay restitution to the victim, which means they must return the stolen item or compensate the victim for its value. A company that caused environmental damage may be required to provide restitution by cleaning up the polluted area and restoring it to its original state. 2. Moral context. If you accidentally break your friend's favorite vase, you should offer restitution by either replacing the vase or compensating your friend for its value. When a person realizes they have hurt someone's feelings through their actions, they may apologize and offer restitution by making an effort to rectify the situation and make amends. Overall, restitution involves taking responsibility for one's actions and making things right by restoring or compensating for any harm or loss caused. It is a way of seeking justice and repairing relationships or situations that have been damaged.